my mama. Don't care about your dreams or your drama. Don't wanna talk religion or your politics. Baby, shut your lips, I just need a little kiss. I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. If you wanna, you can be it for the weekend. Don't gotta worry about no wedding bells or freaking. I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. Won't it be fun to be my puppet with no strings attached? Like we're in love, holding hands, making plans, knowing that it won't last. Well, it's true, some rules are made for breaking. Tick-tock, we're on the clock, time's a wasted. Game on, I'm gone, come Monday. Do you wanna play? I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. If you wanna, you can be it for the weekend. Don't gotta worry about no wedding bells or freaking. I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. You wanna be my future ex-boyfriend? Every girl needs a future ex-boyfriend. You know the guys that don't mind a little pretend. I think it's time that we start a new trend. You wanna, you know you wanna. I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. If you wanna, you can be it for the weekend. Don't gotta worry about no wedding bells or freaking. I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. Think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. If you wanna, you can be it for the weekend. Don't gotta worry about no wedding bells or freaking. I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend. I think you're gonna be my future ex-boyfriend.
In slow motion across the room, little London jeans. Search my memory banks for what to do. I recall 80s movie scenes. Breakfast club, fast times, and I still don't know what girls like. I'll take my chances, James Bond. I pull my shoe and hope it works right.
It's all you'll ever be. So sad, you look better on a screen to me. We fight, I'm calling you whatever comes to my mind. You say you wanna break up every time you're with your female friends. Go ahead. You're so caught up in your ego. You're so caught up in yourself. I'm so done with all your games though. It sure was fun. You're welcome. If you're in the crowd tonight, just know that I never really liked your friends. If you're in the crowd tonight, just know that I'm thanking you for making us end. Even with your name tattooed, I would still not remember you. So if you're in the crowd tonight, just know that I never really liked your friends. I won't lie, I think your brother is a far better guy. I think your friends deserve a far better time than the time I spent with you. So true. You are such a drama queen. I'm on stage and you're a scene. You rehearsed your lines with me. You're so caught up in your ego. You're so caught up in yourself. I'm so done with all your games though. It sure was fun. You're welcome. If you're in the crowd tonight, just know that I never really liked your friends. If you're in the crowd tonight, just know that I'm thanking you for making us end. Even with your name tattooed, I would still not remember you. So if you're in the crowd tonight, just know that I never really liked your friends. I never really liked your friends. I never really liked your friends.
Is it crazy that I want you to stay when I tell you to leave, when I tell you go? Is it crazy that I say your name more times a day than I say my own? Tell me, baby, is it crazy? Tell me, baby, is it crazy? Is it crazy when you're gone for a minute? I'm missing you, yeah, I feel alone. Is it crazy that I'm jealous of them bitches when they get your time and I know it's wrong? But tell me, is it crazy? Yeah, I need to know if it's crazy. Damn. Cause I ain't been myself lately, something's going on now, boy, I ain't even slept. I've been up all night long in my head, trying to figure out what I want, what I do, what I don't. It's a crazy heart